Well, as you know that on December 12th, all different things about the visas have come up. Number one is, before, people used to do forum shopping. They would go to Mexico for a visa. They would go to Canada for a visa stamping. So now the rule has come is that you either go to get a visa in the country of your residency. So in case if somebody is residing in London, then they can apply for a visa in London because they are residing in London. Or you have to go to your country of citizenship. So where people used to go to Mexico or Canada to get visa stamping, that might now create a problem. Secondly, what the government has said is that they have the right to check people's social media. So everybody who's applying for a visa will have to change their settings to public, so that the Department of State, which is the US consulates, they can check your public settings and see if you've posted anything in the past few years which threatens the national security of the United States. So everybody's social media is going to be checked, and the result of all of this is that a lot of interviews which were already scheduled in this December and January, they all have been postponed. And the reason is because the consulate needs more time to vet all the applicants. So my recommendation is, if you really don't have to travel, if there is no emergency, it's best to stay put in the United States. And sometimes I also get a question that I already have an H-1B visa, or this is not only H-1B, it applies to H-1s, F-1s, J-1s, all non-immigrant visas. So just to be clear. And a lot of people tell me, I need to go to India or wherever, the country of residency to see family, parents, or whatever. Even if you have a visa stamped on your passport, my recommendation is best to, stay put, stay in the United States, because even at the port of entry, the CBP officer does have the right to check your phone and social media. So unless there is an emergency, I recommend people really not to travel right now. It's just not worth it, because yes, you ultimately might be able to come back to the United States, but there could be delays, and those delays can affect, your employment or whatever other status you are in. So it's just not worth it.